And welcome back to another video. Today I brought to you the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna try to solve at least one side. Let's see if I can do it. Please. I'm not even getting. Fuck. On the mathematics of an environment. What if we just go slow? I just don't think this thing almost broke on me. Tired. No, this reminds me of Kevin the Cube before he like please. You can do this. 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 You can break it. You can do one side. At least. I can't even do that. How are you? Somebody in the comments. What the fuck do you mean? Where's the okay? Look at this. This has 3 blues. That's the most of color of the same. I can do it right. Watching to make progress. Try to do the same shit. Alright, you know what? I'm actually about to cry. I'm about to cry, bro. Like, this is some bullshit. No, I bought this. I got this son. I got fucking. I got Earth. I try solve Earth. Oh, look at that! I solved Earth. Did y'all see it? I solved Earth. No, Earth. Okay. I solved the sun. What anyway? Watch this. I'm going on in 5 seconds. Watch. Watch, I'm gonna count all the way to 10, and I'm gonna be done. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the best I can fucking do. I'm out. Peace.